Most people spend years trying to heal the parts of themselves they hate. The angry part, the insecure part, the jealous part, the fearful part. You treat these feelings like unwanted guests, locking them in the basement of your psyche, hoping they'll just go away. But they don't. They just get louder. But what if those parts aren't your enemy? What if they're carrying wounds you've never truly listened to? What if they are actually the keys to your freedom? Today, I'm going to show you how to stop fighting yourself and start putting yourself back together. Shadow work isn't about becoming someone new or fixing yourself. It's about meeting the parts of yourself you've been hiding. Every time you suppress pain, reject emotions, or pretend you're fine, a piece of you gets pushed into the shadows. The problem isn't that those parts exist. The problem is that they're running your life from the dark. It's like driving a car where someone is constantly pulling the steering wheel from the back seat. You feel the tension, the drift, and the emotional exhaustion, but you don't know why it's happening. Nobody wakes up broken. We break through experiences. The betrayal, the rejection, the abandonment, the failure. And when the pain becomes too much, we create masks. The people pleaser, the perfectionist, the overachiever, the one who never asks for help. The mask protects you, but it also traps you. You wear it so long, you start to believe it's your actual face. The first step is awareness. Ask yourself, what part of me shows up when I'm hurt? What part of me appears when I'm afraid? Don't judge it. Just notice it. Sit with it. What you can name, you can understand. Most people attack their shadow. They try to shame it away. Shadow work does the opposite. It listens. It pulls up a chair and asks, what do you need? Beneath anger is often pain. Beneath control is often fear. Beneath perfectionism is often the paralyzing fear of not being enough. Every shadow has a story. Integration means bringing those rejected parts back home. Not letting them control you. Not pretending they don't exist, but accepting them as part of your story. This isn't about wallowing in the past. It's about reclaiming the energy you've been wasting on the suppression. Imagine how much lighter you would feel if you weren't constantly policing your own heart. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is wholeness. You don't heal by becoming someone else. You heal by becoming more of who you truly are. The parts of you that broke are not asking to be destroyed. They're asking to be understood. Because the moment you stop fighting yourself is the moment you finally start becoming whole. If you're ready to stop fighting your shadows and start building a relationship with your true self, drop a heart or comment whole below. Let's take the first step together.